In this video we explore dynamic typing, one of Python's most beginner-friendly features. It lets your variables hold any kind of value without you ever having to declare a type. Think of a variable as a sticky label. The label has a name, but it can be stuck onto any object, a number, a word, anything. The object is what has the type, not the label itself. The name X is just a label. Peeling it off one box and sticking it on another is exactly what happens when you reassign a variable to a different type in Python. Here is our full example. 3 short lines. First we store a number, then we store a piece of text in the very same variable, and finally we print it. Let us trace through it step by step. Line 1. Python creates an integer object with the value 10, and the name X is pointed at it. At this moment, X refers to an int. Line 2. Python creates a brand new string object and repoints X to it. The integer 10 is left behind. Notice there is no error. Python is perfectly happy for X to switch types. Line 3. Print asks what X is pointing to right now. The answer is the string, now a string, so that is what gets printed to the screen. Let us run it. The output is exactly, now a string, confirming that X successfully switched from an integer to a string with no complaints from Python. In statically typed languages like Java, you must declare a type and stick to it. Python takes the opposite approach. Types are checked as the program runs, giving you flexibility at the cost of catching some errors later. To sum up, in Python, a variable is just a name pointing at a value. The value knows its own type. You can repoint that name at any new value, of any type, whenever you like, no permission required.